Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best wall safe. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Giantex Electronic Wall Safe. The Giantex Electronic built-in wall safe is ideal for securing your firearms, jewelry, cash, documents, and other valuables. The safe is made of heavy-duty steel and has a digital keypad for easy access. It also includes a backup key for added security. Additionally, this wall safe is a great way to store your valuables. It has a PIN code lock that can be opened with the emergency keys. If you enter the wrong PIN code 3 times, the safe goes into timeout mode. We think this is one of the safe's best features, and it's one that you won't always find in safes. Number 7 in my list is Snap Wall Safe. The Snap Safe electronic keypad in-wall safe is pry-resistant and can be hidden in the wall, behind a picture frame or a mirror. It has 2 types of lock, a key lock and a combination lock. This safe is ideal for storing your valuables, such as your jewelry, your money, or your important documents. Furthermore, this safe mounts flush against the wall, which makes it even easier to hide. Just find where the wall studs are in the wall you've selected so you can easily install the wall safe between studs. It also comes with 6 heavy-duty lag bolts to ensure its safe installation. Additionally, this Snap Safe in-wall safe has a false bottom that conceals a secret compartment. This is a great place to store your jewelry or other small items, and it also provides yet another layer of security for your valuables. This is our favorite feature for this safe because you won't often find safes that offer a secret compartment. Number 6 in my list is Barska Biometric Fingerprint Security Wall Safe. Those who feel that newer biometric technology is more secure than a keypad locking mechanism will want to take a good look at this Barska wall safe. Like the Protex, it's not UL rated, so it won't protect your stuff during a big fire or when assaulted by experienced thieves with lots of time. But it's primarily designed as a gun safe, so you know it will frustrate hurried intruders or curious fingers. The biometric lock is the feature that will probably interest readers the most, so here's how it works. It sticks out about an inch from the door, not too bad for the purposes of hiding it behind a picture. You scan in your fingerprints inside the safe, and the mechanism will then recognize them on the outside reader. Since the memory can hold 120 different fingerprints, you're able to scan yours at several different angles. So you don't have to have your finger in exactly the right position when you're trying to open the safe. Number 5 in my list is Protex Wall Safe. The AMSEC may be too much safe for most people, in which case this moderate-level Protex Wall Safe is right in their wheelhouse. It doesn't offer the UL fireproof rating or incredible construction of the AMSEC model, but it's a secure steel safe that will keep burglars at bay, at a price that's 50 to 60% lower. One of the often ignored advantages that a touchpad or biometric wall safe has over a traditional dial model is that the locking mechanism doesn't stick out, so it's easier to hide the safe behind a painting or wall hanging. The keypad on the PWS 1814E is even better than most, completely flush with the door. It also has a small interior housing, which creates maximum interior space for storing your valuables. The lock has other interesting features as well. If you ignore the low battery warning for too long, your key code will still be remembered for another 6 months. And there are 2 override systems, one powered and one with a key. That may not provide the ultimate in protection, but it rates high in convenience for ordinary users. This safe is made from heavy-gauge steel, with a 5x8 formed steel door and dual steel live-locking bolts, and fits nicely between 16 studs with 6 anchor holes and a built-in flange. Number 4 in my list is Biometric 2113 DF Fire-Resistant Wall Safe. You needn't worry about your valuables being damaged by fire with the Biometric safe, which is designed to be installed in 2x8 framing members in custom-built oversized walls. The Biometric safe comes with a 2-hour fire rating, meaning it will protect the contents for at least 2 hours in a fire. While you'll program a secret numerical code into the electronic keypad, The safe comes with a mechanical override key in case you forget. The fire-resistant safe is made from steel, features 2 heavy-duty locking bolts and 2 adjustable shelves, and measures 1.3625 inches wide, 20.75 inches high, and 8 inches deep. The buy comes with pre-drilled holes for bolting to wall studs and features a thin flange along the front perimeter so that the safe fits flush against the drywall for a finished look. Number 3 in my list is Paragon Electronic Hidden Wall Safe. The last thing you want to forget during an emergency is your passcode. The Paragon Quartermaster 7700 has a programmable electronic keypad and a master key. The pin can be programmed as a combination of 3 and 8 digits. The design of this safe is also a winner. The panel is flat, including the locking mechanism, which makes it much easier to conceal behind a picture or inside of a closet. This is perfect for your home, office, or vacation home. The safe has 2 adjustable shelves inside to hide a variety of valuables and important personal documents. The Paragon safe measures 22 inches high, 16.25 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. This safe from Paragon is crafted from solid steel that can resist hand and mechanical attacks. There are pre-drilled holes inside of the safe along with bolts that allow you to anchor the safe securely to the wall studs. It will lie perfectly flush against the wall and can be covered by a picture, art, or mirror to disguise the safe. Number 2 in my list is Viking Wall Safe. If you don't want to go through the hassle of finding your keys or remembering a code, consider a biometric fingerprint wall safe. This model from Viking Security has an optical sensor that recognizes up to 32 programmed fingerprints for easy access to your prized possessions. Once you scan a fingerprint, simply position the same finger on the optical sensor and the lock will open. We also love that you have the option to program a backup numerical combination code too. The inside of the safe has 3 adjustable shelves covered in carpet to protect your handguns, jewelry, cash, small electronics, and documents. Plus, there is an interior LED light so you can see even in the dark. The steel body is pry-resistant and tightly sealed. There is an option to turn the sound off so that intruders won't hear you if you need to access your safe during a burglary. The outside of the safe measures 19 inches high and 14 inches wide, with a depth of 4 inches. The Viking Security safe bolts to adjacent wall studs. It will fit tightly against the drywall to prevent anyone from prying the safe out of the wall. Number 1 in my list is Paragon 7725 Superior Wall Safe. This is a durable electronic wall safe that you can depend on thanks to the steel walls, tamper-proof hinges, and an interior lining that prevents damages to your most precious valuables. The Paragon Lock and Safe 7725 Superior Wall Safe is a solid choice to give you peace of mind. This wall safe comes with 0.8-inch steel walls and tamper-proof hinges. The solid steel design protects against attacks, mechanical and by hand. The dimensions of this safe are 22 inches high, 16.25 inches wide, and is 4 inches deep plus. We love that the inside shelves are lined with a soft grade matting that prevents scratches to jewelry, technology, or other delicate items. This digital safe can be opened with a secret pin that you create between 3 and 8 numbers. Don't worry if you forget your code. The Paragon safe comes with both a digital keypad and a keyed lock. Add an extra layer of protection with a buzzing alarm that will sound if someone tries to access the safe without your permission. This safe will fit between wall studs and has a flat panel design so you can conceal the safe in any room or closet. There are pre-drilled holes inside the safe with fixing bolts that allow anchoring. Bolts are included. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.